What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to play some more teardown, and we are going to play teardown dinosaurs again. If you like teardown videos, don't forget to like and subscribe as always. And let's start. Guys, what is that sound? It's a freaking T-Rex. Look at it. My friends are doing nothing. Take the sniper. There's two of them. Oh no, got big troubles. Go inside, Bob! We need to take out. Oh no, oh no. I see his leg. Bob, stay here. Oh no. I hope Bob is safe. No, it's on Bob. We need to get out of here. Oh no, it's in fire. Take this. I'm sorry, Bob. There's my mech. Guys, if you don't know, I built a mech for monsters like this. It's like puffy. Come on. Who's messing with me now? Come on, dinosaurs. You really think you had a chance? I'm just crushing him. Where's the other one? Oh, he's already dead. But just to make sure. This is crazy, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, this is... Where's Bob? Bob, are you still alive? Still alive. Oh, just take that. Oh. Bob is still alive. But the airplane problem. Oh no. Yeah, guys, I don't know how to drive. Bob doesn't know how to drive a plane. At least it was dinosaurs. If it was humans, oh no, they're still alive. Hmm. Bob, are you okay? Oh no! Mayday! 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 Pfft. Oh no. I thought Bob was bad, but me, I'm bad at driving. Take this black hole, idiots. Oh my. Not my airplane, please. No! Not my airplane! I was $15 billion. Hey you, take this, the black hole. Oh no, it's sucking me too. It's Sean. Guys, be careful because there's some fireworks. This guy's dead, that's for sure. The other one? Oh, there's more! I didn't even know that. Well, he doesn't have a mouth. And he's dead now. Pretty sure he's dead. If he's not dead, how is that possible? Oh no. Soldiers! Shoot! What are you doing? You have snipers! Oh no. That should hurt. Get in the car! Oh no. I crashed it. No, 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 no! Who cares about that guy? I didn't even like him. Let's run the dino. Oh, that there's the. Let's go! Oh, it did. Guys, run for your life because he's coming. Oh no, he's chasing me. Oh, he just killed a bunch. Oh my gosh! No! Come, you're still alive. Come, we need to get out of it. Oh no! Go, go, go! Oh no! Not my car! Uh-oh. Take this! Take this guy, Hello! Take it! Yes! Take it. Eat him. Oh my gosh. You know what? Take this. Some lava. Take some lava. It should be good for your health. Actually, don't try this at home, kids. Don't play with lava. I'm pretty sure you don't have lava. But just to make sure, don't try this at home. Take this. Oh no. Yeah, this is normal. Take that. Take this. Thanos sap. Oh my. What the? Oh my gosh. His legs. Look, still moving. Take this. These two. Oh my gosh. This. Oh, there's a lot of ketchup on the ground. Uh-oh. Take this tomato sauce. Yes, I heard dinosaurs like tomato sauce. So I'm just giving it. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of tomatoes. Yeah, guys, I planned this. Take that! That's what you get for eating my friends and eating my car. Remember? Take this. Take this. Bro, that didn't get even one damage. Take this. Take this. Uh-oh. It doesn't. Take that! Guys, I'm in Jurassic World right now and the dinosaur is there. Oh my god, thank god I got a sniper. Hammond's creations are always failed. This is the seventh time Jurassic Park failed that the dinosaur. He doesn't learn from his mistakes actually, so. Die! Die! Die, dude. Die. Die, jerk! Oh my god, that's a jerk. Take that! Take that! Take that! Take that! Take that! I don't believe they let me with a sniper at Jurassic Park. Hmm. At least. Oh no! Not again! But I have a minigun this time. Take this! Take this! Thanks for watching, guys. It's the end. And yeah, that's a lot of ways to kill dinosaur if you have it. And don't forget to like and subscribe as always. If you want more teardown, like and subscribe as always. And if you like this video, go watch my other teardown train video. It was epic. I will not say it was very epic because it literally crashed in my 15 billion airplane, so helicopter, whatever you want to call it. It was not cheap. That's one thing.